The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is officially coming to the US, and we want to answer some of your biggest questions in rapid style fashion. Let's go. So your first question is, how big is it? The Galaxy Z TriFold comes with a 10-inch display, which is huge on the inside, and when it's folded, it actually goes to 6.5 inches, which is pocket size. But is it really pocket size? Because this is definitely on the thick side, especially compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but that's the price that you pay for having something with a 10-inch display. The good news is that when the Galaxy Z TriFold is open, it's actually thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, so it is a super thin slate when it's in your hands. So what about weight? This is 215 grams, this is 309 grams. So what that means is that I'm gonna keep this in my breast pocket, and this one could go in my front pocket. What's cool though is that when you open this thing up, you actually have 3 batteries here that add up to 5,600 milliamp hours, which is the biggest battery on any Samsung phone ever. When it comes to charging, you get 45 watts with the Galaxy Z TriFold compared to 25 watts for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. With something this big, you definitely want to know, okay, so what can I do with the 10-inch display? And in this case, it's all about multitasking. So I can bring in 3 apps at once. So for example, I can bring in Google Maps, have it running over there. I can bring in a third app, let's say YouTube, and bring that in. And you basically have the equivalent of 3 candy bar phones in one design. But it gets even better because when you have DeX mode enabled, you can have multiple apps and multiple desktops running at the same time. And it's actually easy to not only run multiple apps, but resize them as you see fit. So that's Photos, you can have Google Maps there, YouTube, you can resize that, move it wherever you want. So it's essentially like having a laptop in your pocket. So here's the big question for this big phone. How much is the Galaxy Z TriFold going to cost? We already know that it's officially coming to the US in Q1. And when it comes to pricing, it's about $2,400 overseas. So for my money, I might spend the extra $400 if I'm getting an extra big display. But tell me what you think.